singing in Hmong, but the song basically talks about what our values are, and as being human beings and being Hmong, our value is basically just having our history written and being written again and again and again and passing it on to our next generation. So this song's called "Wo Pi Ka Pe Hmong." Cat. So this is our song. This is on our OG party. Oh man, you guys want to dance with this song? I can do that at the end of the show. Alright, here we go. Mỗi người yêu của có tổ chức trở nên có thể đến như đầu xuân. Mọi người đã học đến thành phố xuân xuân đủ,都在做给手。
Too shaky.
Hmong fellows, people.
Woo! I love you!
Song dedicated to all you guys, alright? Everyone in this room. And thank you to HHR and for having me here. Thank you very much, everyone. We'll do the love on song later if you guys want to.